Hey, Dead Heroes Dice here. Today I'm going to be going over how I make my molds. Today I am using the mold system from Smith's Forge. If you don't know who that is, I recommend you check him out. He's got a lot of cool stuff that he makes for dice making, and he has an Etsy store. I am using Cricut transfer tape, strong grip, and I am putting my mold rings on and my clean masters to hold them in place and create the seals for when I pour my silicone. The silicone I am using is BB Dino 20A. Silicone mixing time. You want to make sure that you mix your silicone very thoroughly. I tend to mix it 5 minutes per cup. When making my molds, I tend to add some mica powder to my bigger molds so I don't mix the lids up, because when I pour, I've had situations where the numbers don't line up and it's because I put the wrong lid on. So once that's done, into the vacuum chamber it goes. Once the silicone is degassed and all the air is out of it, it's time to pour it into the mold system. Steady stream is the best way to pour, and after you're done pouring, you always want to let it sit a few minutes to let any extra air bubbles float to the surface. Into the mold rack and into the pressure pot it goes. In the pressure pot, I tend to put it at 40 psi when making molds. Like and follow for part 2.